Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to open a Figma file in your browser. This is incredibly useful when you want to share your designs with team members who might not have the Figma desktop app installed, or when you simply prefer working in a browser environment. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's get started by opening your Figma application on your computer. Once Figma is up and running, you'll see your dashboard with all your recent projects and files. This is where you'll locate the specific file you want to open in your browser. Now go ahead and open the file you want to view in the browser. Simply double-click on it and it will load in the Figma editor. This could be any design project you're currently working on, whether it's a website mockup, a mobile app interface, or any other design asset you've created. With your file now open, direct your attention to the right side of your screen. Here you'll find the Share button. This button is your gateway to collaboration and sharing options in Figma. Click on it to reveal a menu with various sharing capabilities. From the menu that appears, you'll see an option that says Copy Link. Click on this option and Figma will automatically copy a shareable URL to your clipboard. This link is what allows you to access your design file through any web browser, making it incredibly convenient for cross-platform work. Next, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you regularly use. Once your browser window is open, click on the address bar at the top where you normally type in website addresses. Now, paste the link you just copied from Figma. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or simply using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Press Enter, and your Figma file will load directly in the browser. And that's it. Your Figma file is now accessible through your web browser, giving you the flexibility to work from anywhere without needing to have the desktop application installed. This browser-based access maintains all the viewing capabilities and allows for seamless collaboration. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.